I've come to support Pamela, my wife. She has expressive aphasia. She had a stroke a couple of years ago in April.
But it's a great opportunity for stroke survivors and their carers to get together to discuss current issues in stroke.
The opening this year has been really good because it set the scene for what to expect.
Very humbling. You listen to some of the things they've gone through and how they just get back up.
There's an awful lot of ignorance about what stroke is, and I think the more we do this sort of thing, the better.
Because believe me, now is the time to tell people what you want, and people are listening.
We have our voice, so the conference is a brilliant place for that.
But it's to learn things, about the insurance and the sort of stuff I had. I had a stroke 2 years ago. It inspires my carer and myself to actually go out and do things.
I think for me, it's being in a place where everybody understands. You can empathise and it's real and you can be yourself.
Because we really enjoyed last year, we were inspired and we went away with a long list to the GP and said, we want this, and we want this, and we want this.
It's given us the opportunity to actually talk to a lot of patients or stroke patients or people that have had stroke in the past. By talking to people, we can actually work with them better.
But money can't buy you what you actually get from here.
It was good value.
It was very good value.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.